got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No, I'm more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, take me for granted.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, we never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm on a date kind of near this. It's a Saturday. Nice man, don't do that. We are at McDonald's.
I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold no brain. Yeah. Good against better ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga. Ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my folk goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they wonder for the boy right now. Goddamn, what a time, what a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed. That's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. But you wanna fuck me down. But you wanna love me down. You can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring a nigga, show me something. Shake it like you owe me something. Shake it like you owe me something. Shake on the plane like a fucking king. Still getting really in the phone. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go, they got it. Got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Down east, it's southeast. Down the clock into the street. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. Bitch, that's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic with Mac 11s. Bad bitch, and she Spanish. I fly her that got a bus, so we get nasty. I'm her dad. If I know a nigga ain't average, girl, nothing wrong with fake asses.
What's up, Bewen? I wanna man, hey. What you call my P? Yes, I did. Oh, better pencil, let my feet. Chimama konye, kepali. Says Pafagi, the line. But you call my P? Yes, I did. Oh, better pencil, let my feet. Chimama konye, kepali. Says Pafagi, the line. But you buy dirty, lizard. Buy Kuniki, Chimama P. Papa say, paying when there's all. I'm happy, the pencil.
My baby don't mess around because he loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does he really wanna? I can't stand to see me going out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, 'cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking two together, 'cause we don't know how. All you gotta do is say, all you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, let me undress you, baby. Open up your mind and rest.
what you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
My mom gave me this, and I don't really see. Oh, this. Let's open and see. It looks cute though. It looks cute. Yeah, there's some. This looks cute, guys. Kamasuki. Those who know me know that I love sweets, like guys. Hey loves, hope you're well. Today is a Sunday. It is the 6th of April, and I just thought of posting a vlog because I don't even guys cool. But I'm gonna post the video. Hope you like it, because guys, because some of y'all were saying the vlog should be long, but like at this point I feel like young Shula guys, but then I'll keep trying, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hope you enjoy the vlog.